So hello guys, welcome back in so on channel. So guys, this video basically making for a viewer, so you can see the viewer fix and batch. Okay, so he write me a little comment that hi okay, and he directly tell me that I press the sending image but it don't do anything. I am dual check it tweets. So we also then we tell him lots of things that we already banned the app. It means that if you go in our Stroyed App Store, you find the APK of the chat app, but it not work because we already delete the app or ban the app, and it also not access with now in with our server. It means that Asteroid server or Asteroid production, so you it will be not work. Okay, it's basically it's not work. It's just a simple word, it not work or it not do anything. If it install and work but it don't do anything and don't show any data because it's now don't have with relative with our server or it don't have access with our server, so it will be not work. Then he again comment me that so much could you link it please. I am making a trending like app but I have some troubles. So also you want to making like that app. So on the video just let's see that what we make. The video name, okay, let's come in YouTube Studio, and if you go back and you can see the video name is how to make chat app on Sketchware with use Firebase database. Okay, so we need to go on YouTube page and let's search how to make ch8 chat app you using by Firebase. Okay, if we search it, we must need to find our video also. Okay, if it not come, we can do that on how to make chat app in Sketchware by okay super knowledge. So you can see now it's have the all the super knowledge videos and chat apps videos. So it's the part 7, lots of part we make it. Okay, part 8, part 10. Wow guys, must part 1 3. Wow, lots of part we make. Part 8, part how to make websites. Okay, let me find it. Okay guys, so we find the video that 1K viewers, how to make a chat app on Sketchware with use Firebase database. So on here, if you go on the video and we show that how we can give the data. Okay, if you see that on the image chat one, I think it on that one we don't show anything that how to send picture. Okay, if you see the others video, you can see on there we just that give data that or show that how you can just add your name and text. Okay, on here, but on if you search that chat app super knowledge send img. So you can see now on that video we make a video that how to send picture in chat app on Sketchware chat app part 11. So on the 11 number parts I just show you what we do. Come on man. So you can see the videos on here on the image part. Okay, it means that on the image on the it is the list view. So on the list view we add a URL of the image, and also it tags that it will be get the image. We also give the name is picture and set it the image URL. So if then any data get in the Firebase database that URL, it will be get the URL from the text view 5 and set the URL in that image 5, and it will be display the image. So after then on the image clicking, okay, it means that on the image or send button you can see on the Firebase we also add some data. So on here on the Firebase DB I also create a component and I also create a file pickup component. On the file pickup component I add a string variable and get dollar value, and after that value to get the file name, okay, I set it the get last segment part of the file path, okay, so it will be get the name automatically when the file is selected, okay, and also it get the file. So on the upload section I just upload the file path with the file name, okay. So you must need to sure about here that you do the same thing that last segment part of the path. If you set any wrong name, so it will be not access in the Firebase storage. So also you must need to sure that your Firebase storage rule is totally success, or it means that it will be changed. That you need to on the if you create a new Firebase storage or a project, you must need to change your Firebase storage and the Firebase database rule, okay. Without changing the rule it will be can't access or can't work. Also you need to must select that your country, it means that where it will be from upload. It means that if you live in Bangladesh, so you can select the file project file access, the location is Bangladesh, or if you live some other country you can select that one country, okay. It will be very important part of the creating on the Firebase project. After then I just show you that the image pasting or so here you can see I code that you can see on a sender or image, okay. On the image just it get a URL from the storage URL, then it will be automatically pasted on the Firebase storage or Firebase database. Then it will be get all the data in the list, then on the get at the list view we can get the image, okay. So let's come with Sketchware and now just make a again the app, okay, for only for my viewer. Again I need to make the app. So I already have a project, that test project, and I also already added the test project with the my Firebase storage and the Firebase database. And here you can see I add a image or sorry, I add a list view, and on the custom list view I okay what I do in here that okay, let's remove that one. Okay, now you can see it's good. So on here I add a linear v, and I add a image and text, okay, simple. And on the linear gravity I selected center of horizontal. After then save it and come on the main screen, and on the main screen you must need to select it your custom view which you make it. After then let's come on component. On the component we need two type of component. That first component is Firebase storage, so we can give it name Firebase and database, okay, add, and then we need a storage to upload the file, okay. So let's give it name image, and the location is also you can give it ing, okay. Now it's ads. So we need a text, edit text for get the name on the text, okay. Then we need a button, then we also need a one more button. The first button is for taking the image, so for taking the image we give name it image, and to see what it take the image or what kind of take its image, so we add a image on here. And let's select its whiteness and heightness 500 by 500, and the scroll size is center of inside, okay. Must need to select the center of inside. Oh, I also select on the custom view the image is center of inside, okay. So it will be display the image in the or custom size, okay. So here I have list, a custom list view, a text to display the processing, and after then for edit the text, a image to see the or display to the image. Then on the image section for on button 1 we can get the file. On the button 2 we will be publish it on our database to see, okay. So let's come, we also need a one more component, that file pickup component, and we give it a name is file and select it image. Okay, only image file add. Okay, let's come at first, we need to do on the list view. Okay, let's move all the things. So on the view we have a text, and we also have a image. So we must need to select it image URL, not image path. The image path is something else, and it will be not accessed in the file or in your custom list view. Okay, after that we need a list, that map list, that list what you can give as like you want, you can give the name, you can write list or something else. So for now I using a list, so I already have the block, so I'm not writing again. So on here on the list map, okay, you must need to select that get at the empty position key with empty of the list map. Okay, you want to drag and drop in here, and on the you can see the position bug, just drag and drop on here. Let's just keep the key name is image, and set it the list map. So okay, we need to create list, come on, wait, list map. Okay guys, I need to, okay, list. Okay, now I have the value. Okay, so after then as like creating, we just need to copy it again and give it on here. On the text you can also drag and drop, and for text we give it name text text. Okay, we just give the key name. After then come back on the, we need to must need to know about or remember that the Bluetooth one is for select image, the Bluetooth 2 is for publishing. So on the Bluetooth one it will be just pick up the file, so go on component, and you can see on, at the last you file a component and pick up component, then select back. Now come on the Bluetooth number 2. On the Bluetooth number 2 you can see on the component there give a block that on the firebus db push value, so we need that one. And come on variable, we need to create a variable that on the map, that map var. Okay, add, then there give us some block that we need, from the block we need create map, put key, and also in the map. So we need two kind of put key, so we can give the or add the data, select all the things with map var, and select the firebase db and the database name map var. Okay, select as like how I select, you must need to select, that's why that's like. So image, and second key is our text, so we give it name it text, command man text text. After then now on the text we get at the text from the edit text one, and after then also need a block, and for now we use the text view one, so we get the URL from the text view one. Okay, and just give it on here. So that's all codes in the Bluetooth number 2. Now come on the file pickup component. On the file pickup, on the file picked, okay, you also need a block that first you need a string variable block that path, and the second you can give it path clone name. Okay, after then and to select a string, okay, you need to type a string, then come on the file and you find a block that get last segment path of path, again select it on here, then come variable, get the file path string. Come on, why it's not coming? Okay, so let's select it on here, select it the file name, path name, and select the first one is path. Then come on the list. On the list you create a string, list string, that listy or str. For now I'm using str. Okay, so I already have the block, so I don't use again it. So you can see there give a block that get at the empty position of the string, and to select it, that select the drag and drop on here, and set it gravity is 0, and after then keep it on here. Then go on components. On the Firebase storage, you find a block that upload the file with file name, select it on a variable, again select the path and the path name. So first one is the for path file, you can first select that one, so it is the file and it is the file name, then select it Firebase image. After then come on the upgrade process. So upgrade process for display the process, go on the view and go on the tags, go on the operator, you find a block that to string with the DMC process value, drag and drop, set it the image text 1, set it on here, so we can now see that how it's displaying. Then they are also give a component that on upload success to click on there. So upload success, so on the go on view, get the tags on the must need to select it tags v1, so we can get the URL, drag and drop the URL, and that's all. So let's that's all in code in here. Okay, also we need a code that on the Firebase storage, on the Firebase db or get child add, so we need to display the whole thing in our list view. So just select the block that Firebase db get the child to map list view. We must need to select our custom list view and refresh the list view, and just select it your list view name, but you give the name list view 1. For my case it's list view 1 app list 1, and drag and drop in here. Okay, and just save it. So now we have all the data, so let's run the app and let's see. Okay guys, so our app's ready, so now we can go on and let's open it. So I already access my device with the Wi-Fi. Okay, so let's open it. We must need to give it allow. So you can see now the display is not display the list view, okay, because the list view is empty. So what we need to do, let's give a name, or let's write some tags in here on that text that please don't forget us. Okay, full stop, and let's click on the image. Then you can see it will be asking you to give an image. So let's upload our icon. Oh guys, we forget to, you can see the process values working because it's uploading on storage. So you can see after the storage loading, it will be automatically display the download URL. So in our case, we forget to give the image path to display the image. Okay, not a problem. Let's click on publish. Now you can see a list view is display. Now you can see it's now a displaying. So let's write something else, that how much we view. Okay, good name. Let's click on image. Let's see another, or select another image that on our Gita 5. Okay, let's, you can say again it's processing because it's now publishing or upload the file in our storage. Okay, the storage is done, so let's click on publish. Now you can see again it create a new map, how much we love. You can see now all the data is come. So let's one more give, can you send me your address. Yeah guys, it's very good. Okay, so you can see there is a problem that we forget to give the scroll down version, so it's now come on the fully. Okay, but not a problem. Let's cut, and if we click now on the test tab again, so you can see after taking some time it will automatically do the apps, and you can see it's displayed and now naming and also the all the things that image names and other things. So it's very look very good, so it's working. So that's all this video. Please like, share, subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon. If you have any question, you can comment us in our comment box. We must help you. Okay, we are not using now the Sketchware engine, but we all lots of know about the Sketchware engine, so you can comment us in our comment box. We must try to help you as like. Okay, so the problem is solved, that how you can upload image in your custom list view. Okay, so bye bye, hope you like the video. And also for let's also fix the bugs, that some bug that we forget that let's say the limitation of the list view, that 250. After then it will be, we can scroll around it. Let's come on component, on the file pickup component, on go on view. Now it need the file path. Okay, so now it need to get the image with the file path. So set the image. Now just need to copy the block, that path. Okay, the path block, set it on here and just display on here. Okay, and save it. Now after that also we can add a block, that on the after image sending, it will be automatically clean up the text. Okay, so let's clean up the edit text, so we not need to again copy or back it. Okay, oh sorry, we need to give on here. It means that after all the things it will be empty, or set the text it empty. Okay, it's look very good. Yeah, yeah, look, it's good. So let's run it again. Okay guys, so it's done. After the updating, I let's again make it. Okay, so let's come again on test. Now you can see it's showing a limitation in there here. So now I have a question that, bro, it's not showing the another image. So don't worry, it is a drag down version. It's automatically converted with a drag down version. It's mean a drag down, not drag down, scroll down version. So now if we scroll down it down to up, you can see that here, you can see that it's now drag and drop, so we not need to care about anything. So let's again let's write something, that test project and search PUBG animation. Wow guys, test project and search PUBG animation, what the meaning of the right. Oh man. Okay, let's select the image now. Now it must display the image. Okay, so let's what we can select guys, lots of image I have. It means that you can see lots of and lots of image. Okay, let's select that PUBG mobile animation. Okay, you can see, now you can see it's automatically display the image part 6 and PUBG mobile animation, and it will automatically come. Now if you publish, you can see the edit text now become automatically empty, and it's automatically add the search with the PUBG animation. So first time it takes some time to load the project okay URL, but and in the second time after all the done or all the things, okay, if you go, now you can see the automatically it's now you can see display all the image without taking lots of time. So that's all this video. Please like, share, subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon. If you have any question, you can comment us in our comment box. Okay, bye bye.